Shlok 42 of chapter 1.
Sankaro narakayaiva kulaknanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro yesham lupta pindodaka kriyaha.
Sankaro Narkayev Kulasya cha Kulagnanam. The subjects with mixed blood are just for the degradation of the clan and the destroyers of the clan. He Esham Pitara. Because their Pitrigan. Patanti Lukt Pindodka Kriya. Degrade because of being deprived of the deeds of reverential offerings. Sankaro Narkayev Kulasya cha Kulagnanam. He Esham Pitara. Patanti Lukt Pindodka Kriya. Interpretation. The animal-like subjects with mixed blood are born just for the degradation of the clan and the destroyers of the clan, because even their Pitrigan, the whole body of ancestors collectively, that is the ancestors or the seeds of the world, in the form of Rudraksh belonging to Om Mandali, the ones of the old world at the end of the Kalpa, degrade to extremely poor families because of being deprived of the deeds of reverential offerings for the elders.